Welcome to Ahmed's Lucents. In this video, we are going to talk about if I am applying for non-immigrant visa in the United States of America, is it a good idea to get the sponsorship letter from a sister or brother-in-law or uncle who lives in the United States, or maybe cousin lives there and he's willing to sponsor your financials and everything in the United States of America. So think about you are applying for F1 visa or B1 or B2 visa, and okay, fine, you don't have whole lot money, and but you have a relative who's willing to kind of give you sponsorship letter from United States of America. So many of the students ask me this, or many of the visitors on the website, they ask me this question. I will not suggest to anybody who's applying for non-immigrant visa to get any sponsorship letter from from a person who lives in the United States, and there are reasons why. Because if you are trying to get the non-immigrant visa and you have already relatives who lives in the United States, the visa officer is going to think, okay, you are going to settle down in the United States of America, so you already have ties in United States of America, and you are going to probably stay there as an immigrant. So if you notice that one of the things, most of the visas are rejected, they are rejected because you are not able to show enough ties in your country, so wherever or which country you are applying from. So it is actually more important to show ties from the country you are applying, instead of you are showing ties with the United States of America by showing that you have a relative there, he's wealthy, he will sponsor you, he will take care of you. So there are a couple of examples I'm going to tell you. My brother, he had a B1 visa with the USAID. He applied that, he came to California, and then he went back. It was for like 5-10 days visa, and then he asked me, hey, can you provide me the sponsorship letter? And I did provide him, and when he went to get the visa, they reject him. So I'm talking about the person who was already in United States for 5 or 10 days. He has a lot of visas from different countries. He works in export business, so he go to Europe, UK, and all those countries. So he was rejected, but then he applied by himself. So he did not get my sponsorship letter, he did not show my any financial statements from my bank or anything, but he showed his financial statements and all the business documents. So that kind of showed that okay, he has ties with the country he belonged to, and he's going to go only for visiting and come back. One more example I'm going to tell you. One of my friend, his brother, he lived in Netherlands. He was PhD student. He did finish his PhD. He was coming for a conference in Texas. So then his brother lives in North Carolina. So the distance between is like is a lot of mileage, maybe 1,500 something mileage between those two areas. The visa officer in the Netherlands rejected him because the guy knew that his brother lives in America, and might be this guy will skip from the conference and then go to his brother and never come back to Netherlands. Anyways, so I have a lot of examples with the friends and families, and they tell me, okay, if you are applying with any sponsorship letter from America for non-immigrant visa, most of the time, with my experience and learn from friends and everybody, you are going to get rejected. So always show, if you have a sister, brother-in-law, uncle, and tell him, hey, you know what, can you let me borrow your money for maybe a couple of months? Give me $20,000, put my in your own account, and then show them you have bank statement, and this is the money you are going to spend while you are going to go visit, or while you will go and study in America. Instead of you will show your uncle or sister or brother-in-law statement and get rejected on the first point. So I hope this video will help, and I will see you guys in the next video. All the best with getting non-immigrant visa to United States of America.